Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to download IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA will be further used to write some Java code. There are two things which we'll need to download. Number one, IntelliJ. Number two is the JDK. What is JDK? How to download IntelliJ? It's very simple. All you have to do is to follow some simple steps which I'll be telling in the video, and I want you all to stick to the video till the end so that you don't miss any step. And if you have any queries, you can always write it down in the comment section. So let's start. So let's first know that what is IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA is an integrated development environment, IDE, written in Java for developing computer software. It is developed by JetBrains. Do you know what is IDE? An IDE is an integrated development environment, which is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. An IDE normally consists of at least a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. Some IDEs contain necessary compiler or interpreter or both, and some do not. So for downloading IntelliJ IDEA, let's first head towards Google and let me write IntelliJ. Now you have to open the first link, which is from jetbrains.com. This is the basic website from which we will be downloading IntelliJ IDEA. You can move around in the website and you can know more about IntelliJ IDEA, such as, for example, what developers say, companies worldwide trust IntelliJ IDEA, new features, and stuff like that. So we are concerned with downloading IntelliJ IDEA, so let's hit the download button. Now IntelliJ IDEA can be downloaded on 3 operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. We will be downloading IntelliJ IDEA for Windows, but first let's see what are the system requirements. You need a 64-bit version of Microsoft Windows 10 or Windows 8, 2 GB free RAM minimum, which means at least 2 GB of RAM is needed, but ideally it should be 3 or 4 GB. 2.5 GB of hard disk space SSD recommended. Basically 2.5 GB is for the software and 1 GB additional is needed for the cache. And this is a resolution, basically 1024 into 768 pixel resolution, screen resolution basically. So if you have the requirements fulfilled, you can just go ahead and download IntelliJ IDEA. We will be downloading the community version. So let's click on download. Now here you can see that I am using Mozilla Firefox, so this is where the downloading process has started. It will take like 3 to 4 minutes depending on your internet speed, and it will be downloaded and the exe file will be found in your downloads folder. Now after downloading, let's open the downloads folder. Here you can see that the exe file is resided in it. Let's double click on it. So here's a wizard. Let's click on run. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA community version. Okay, next. I'll be downloading it in the default folder. Next. Okay, create a desktop shortcut. Okay, yes. And update the path variable. So let's add bin folder to the path and update context menu now. Okay, now click on next. Install. Now here you can see that IntelliJ IDEA has been downloaded on your system, and it wants us to reboot the system. I'll select that I want to manually reboot later. Then now let's click on finish. And it's downloaded, so let me open IntelliJ IDEA community version. Okay, so do not import settings. Okay, so it's starting. Here you can see that it is downloaded. Projects, customize, plugins, learn IntelliJ IDEA. Click on customize. Here you can select the theme. I'll select the white one, light, which is a light theme. Now click on projects. Let me create a new project. Here you can see that no SDK is there. So first we have to download the SDK or JDK. So first I want you to know that what is JDK. JDK is Java Development Kit. It is a software package that contains libraries, tools for developing and testing Java applications, and tools for running applications on the Java platform. It does not come with IntelliJ, unfortunately, so we have to download JDK manually in order to successfully run the IntelliJ. So let's head towards Google. Now here we have to write JDK, simple JDK. You have to open the first link, which is from www.oracle.com. Now here we have to download the latest version for Windows. Now here there are three types of installers. One is 64-bit compressed archive, 64-bit installer, and 64-bit MSI installer. What's the difference? All work in the same way basically. The downloading process is a bit different. Here comes a zip file, here comes the exe file, here comes the .msi file. So we'll download the .exe file. It's of 153 MBs. So it's started. Okay, now JDK has been downloaded, so let me open my downloads folder. Here you can see that JDK 18 is resided in the download folder. So first let me show you that no Java JDK has been installed. So first let me open the command prompt and let me write Java and -version. So here you can see that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So there is no JDK downloaded on the system right now. So let's double click on the JDK 18. Click on yes. So here's the wizard, click on next. I'll go with the default folder. Click on next and it's downloading. Now the JDK Java Development Kit 18 has been downloaded. Click on close. Now let's get back to IntelliJ. Let's add a JDK. It was downloaded in the program files and Java folder. Here's the Java folder and here is JDK 18. Click on OK. Click on next. Create a project from template. Click on next. Let me create a project. Hello world. Doesn't. Okay, create. So this is IntelliJ. This is basically your code editor. We have created a program from the template. Let me write something for you. system.out.println hello world, sorry, and let me run the program. So it will take some time because here you can see that updating indexes, basically some JDK is being integrated with the IntelliJ, so it will take a little time, but it will be taking this time only once. So here you can see hello world is displayed. Let me try some loop. For int I equals 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, and let me just, sorry, I'm mixing C++ with Java. Out.println, and let me just write I, and okay, that's it. Let me run the program. So here you can see that it has printed the numbers from 0 to 9. So it's working perfectly fine. Now let me tell you some of the important settings that you can do with your IntelliJ. Now here is some of the important settings that you need to check or you need to do before starting your project. I would strongly recommend you to follow these settings, as it will be helping you when you're coding and when you're using IntelliJ. So first, head towards File, click on Settings. It has a shortcut which is Ctrl-Alt-S. So either you can use this path, which is File and then Setting, or you can use the shortcut key. So let's open Settings. Here you can see the Editor tab. Under Editor tab there is a General. Under General there is Appearance. So here in the Appearance, first you have to check that this checkbox must be checked, which is Show Line Numbers. What it do is, here you can see the line numbers. It is responsible for showing the line numbers on the editor. So next setting is about the Smart tabs. So again, head towards the settings, and here you can see that under editor there will be code style, and under code style there will be Java. So you have to check this box, use tab correctors, and make sure that the Smart tab checkbox is checked as well. Click on apply and then OK. Next, I would like to tell you that how can you change the basic theme. So first, head towards the Appearance, and here is the theme. So either you can select the light or Windows 10 light or Darkula or high contrast. So let me show you all the themes. Currently IntelliJ light theme is working on IntelliJ. This is Windows 10 light. This is the Darkula. This is the high contrast. For me, IntelliJ Lite would work best, so I'll be using IntelliJ Lite. So this was some important settings that you can use before starting your projects in IntelliJ. I hope you liked the video. If you want similar videos, you can just write it in the comment section and I will make sure to read each and every comment. So that was it from this video. I hope that you liked the video. If you want similar videos on such topics, you can just write it in the comment section. I'll make sure to read each and every comment. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any video which I upload. So this was it from this video. I'll see you in this next video, inshallah. Until then, goodbye.